Hey everyone, welcome back, and this time let me show you how we're gonna change the Duolingo base language to English, right? So if I open up the Duolingo app, you can see that the app interface is not in English, right? It's in German actually. So I'm like learning Spanish, but it's from German. So if you want to actually change the language, you're not gonna find it inside of the settings in here. It's not how it works, right? In here you don't have that option, but you have to actually set up the course in a way that you are learning from the language you want, right? So as you can see in the top left corner, when I expand the Spanish, you can see that I'm learning Spanish, but from German. And in here, I have another course which learns German from English or Spanish from English and so on. So if I switch to this one, for example, it's going to make it go to English, right? So as you can see, the base language of the app is English. So the point is that you have to have the course set up in a way that you are learning a language from English. So if you don't have it, you can again just click on the button in the top left and go to the end of the list and set up a new course, and make sure you select one for English speakers, because before I had one set up for German speakers, so I had the Spanish for German speakers, but now I have to switch it for English speakers. And when you do it, the whole language is going to change of the app, and you are now learning with English as the base language, and we are now learning Spanish as the other one. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know if you managed to do it on your device as well. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll catch you later in the next uploads.